Hey, how's it going? Today we're gonna go over how to draw the red panda from Turning Red. This one's gonna be full body and there's gonna be like an expression thing going on. Very, very simple drawing lesson. Very short too. It's about like 8 minutes, so stay all the way to the very end and you should have the ability to draw, you know, this cute red panda, okay? So let's get started. Hey, how is it going? Today we're going to be drawing Turning Red. You know how she turned to a red panda? We're going to be drawing that red panda. So let's get started, okay? Real simple, real easy, step by step. All right, let's go. I'm going to go right here. Oops, my marker's kind of screwed up. Let me get a different one. Let's go right here. And the shape we're going to draw for the mouth has this sort of shape to it. Essentially, we're going to... Honestly, I should have drawn this first. The nose there first. That should have been first. We're going to fill that in. I'm going to put a line through it and fill in the rest of it. I'm going to leave that there for a highlight. And I'm going to go over here on this side, curve over here, and basically make a shape like that because that shape's going to have a split in it right here. All right. Cool. Now I'm going to go over here and draw the eye. Draw a dot in there of the eye. Go over here, draw the other eye, which is behind this. Right on. And we're going to go over here and draw the eyebrows before we draw the rest of the head, okay? So right here, we're going to draw up here. Looks like a French fry or something. Let's go over here on this side. Same thing. Let's go over here on this far end. And the head's going to be big. That's a really big characteristic. So over here, we're going to start with the side of the face. It's going to be over here in this area. I'm even going to mark it right there. And over here on this side, pretty far in this direction too. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go zigzag over here, down there to show the texture, side of the cheeks. And I'm going to keep going underneath like so till it reaches this side of the head. And I'm going to go over here and do the same thing. Zigzag over here. Over here on this side, zigzag, zigzag up. We go up a little bit for the top of the head. And keep going over here to get the other side. It looks like a fluff ball right now, right? Which is good, which is good. I'm gonna go over here and do the ear, okay? I'm gonna start with the ear. I'm over here, I'm gonna start over here. And on this side, I'm gonna go with a curve up. Up over here. Down, curve underneath, zigzag. Go over here on the inside. Cool. This red panda here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab a lighter shape for the kind of, well, you know what? I am going to color this. So, but you know, let's do this right now. Light shape right here for the cheek. Very, very light, thin line here. Zigzag. Zigzag over here. Go over here on this side. Same thing. Zigzag. Zigzag back here. And let us go into the chest area. going down into the body. Go over here on this side. Zigzag over here, all the way down to kind of the leg area. I'm gonna draw a line over here for the middle of the legs pretty much. Down. Down. And we're gonna go over here, curve, curve, curve. Curve, curve, curve. And we're gonna go over here and do the same thing, kind of continue down here, kind of where the knee area is. Let's do her arm over here, kind of flailing out. It's over here. Everything has, not everything, but a lot of these have like a zigzag pattern. Maybe not underneath right there, there you go. This one area, the elbow down. Finger, down over here. Finger, 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 line. Go over here to this side, same thing. Draw that hand out over here, down. Down. And draw 3 fingers there, and then that 1 finger for the thumb. Okay, let's draw the most important part, her tail. It's gonna be like this bushy tail over here. Pretty simple shape. Let's go over here and do thinner lines if we can for the stripes. Thinner lines right here. Thinner lines. There we go. And that's it. There is a little bit more of a color change if you want to put it in the arm over here. So we can thin zigzag right there around the elbow area. Over here as well. And there we go. That is it. Whew, that's fun. That's turning red. Cute, cute panda, you know, cute design. So that's pretty much it. Thank you so much. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and click the bell notification. I didn't even say that stuff. Hit the like. We live on likes. That is how the channel survives. Please do that. And like any other video that we can. And stay around for the announcements. Talk to you in a bit.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, long term. And I get that, that's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link. That gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy, and the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up, and you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent, and you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it. So talk to you later, and hopefully I'll catch you over there later. Thank you so much. You are amazing. Over here on the right, you're going to see my most recent upload, and on the top corner over here, you're going to see just another selection, another cool selection that has to do kind of with the subject of this video. And over here at the top, you can hit the subscribe to see a lot more. This is awesome, and I'll see you next time.